Productivity and flexibility, they go hand in hand. Please keep in mind that the highest rated mechanical speed on a brochure doesn't necessarily mean the highest rated productivity. To be productive, a scanner needs to be flexible and also able to conform to your specialized workflows. We've worked very hard to create an environment that's very flexible and easy to tailor to suit your personal needs and the needs of your colleagues as well. Shifting from one workflow style to another is as simple as selecting a different software personalized preset. And this is truly what sets Contex aside from its competitors. When a document exits the scanner, there's no more waiting for the scanner to process the image. It's ready for the next document. In batch mode, all of your attention can be focused to inserting and preparing the next document to be scanned. No fumbling with a mouse, no fumbling with a touchscreen. The scanner always seems to be ready, waiting for the next document.